Dun, dun. TC, RC. Very good, very good. As you can see how journal works. One more TP3 coming. Perfect. I went to sleep. Last life. Last life I went to sleep. It was morning. It was early, all early. No, it's fake trader, brother. Thank you. Спасибо. This level was, missed, to be honest, here. And did 150 pips. This one worked perfect. It's pullback strategy. No, it was just part of Asian session with London session, so I decided that I want to sleep a little bit as long as I had 2 trades already. I left this one running. As you can see, it's still running, just runner size position. This trade, I jumped a little bit early here, but entry in my VIP was 43.58 from here. That's why I marked it like this from here, 43.58. Do you open 3 separate positions at the same time, or do you open one position and manually reduce? I open one position, 3 lots. It's my regular lot size. 3 lots, and 50, 100, and 150, I close one lot. And after TP3, I just leave pending. I leave not pending. Runner size position. Runner size position is 10% from all position. Like that. Yes, only pullback. Sometimes momentum trade. Momentum trade, for example, like it was Friday, and on my last reels, it was where is it? It was from here. We had this trend line, price breach trend line here, and I jumped short and added another one position here at key level breaker test, like that. Just followed momentum. By the way, this one hit TP3 already. Just a second. I need to close. Yep, done. Nice one. GC future, but you can, but chart is the same. Future, just price different, you know. Price different, but chart almost same. 50 FIP coming, by the way. 50 FIP will be $22 move. $43.40, but let me check 15-minute. Possible pullback from 50 FIP, but 61 looks, yeah, 61 looks better. If you didn't see, 61 was here. Like that. Very good. No, 5 minute. This is 5 minute. Only day trading today. Today and until CPI. CPI, I will switch to 4-hour. Of course, in educational, I sent market breakdown today with this trade and with this trade and also with this trade, like a video breakdown, before London session. I can show you, by the way. Where is it? Yeah, look, this is educational channel. You see market breakdown and this trade, which I was from my last reels. You see this one. Then I jumped, of course. Market breakdown and educational, like that. Poop, 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 poop. Just message me in Telegram, bro. I'll give instructions. You just need to trade with my broker. That's all what I want. To trade with my broker with some amount of deposit. course, free VIP. You mean free VIP or free Telegram channel? Because on free Telegram channel, I can send sometimes just video breakdown. I'm not interested in selling free trades in free Telegram channel, only in VIP. Yes, only gold. But I had trade on Nasdaq, this pullback from this level, from this big liquidity zone. So for me, it was 1 and 2 trades in 2 weeks, I guess, right? How much? Let me check daily. No, I had 2 trades in a week on Nasdaq. And Nasdaq only 4 hour. It's 4 hour and switch to 5-minute again. This possible area of interest, but right now I want 61 fib, to be honest, because right now is not the time to pull back. Wrong timing, I mean. If you are in buy like me from here, I just left around the size. And until 61 fib, it will be $25 move, by the way, and possible another pullback. This level, nope. Let me just send signals in VIP. Very good. I entered 43.18 and took profited here and took profit at 25. Why you out so early? But anyway, 70 pips is also good. Not bad. Much better than nothing, right? But I can tell you that Monday starts very good. Right now, to be honest, I see that very low liquidity on the market and price just moving and searching liquidity. 50 also. Let me check 15-minute. This fib not valid anymore. I have this area. What's a rocket? To be honest, right now is you're in very bad timing for pullback right now. Yeah, this trade was on my previous stream. My area of interest was here from this level, but it was missed. And second one was this one. This one missed here by just 7 pips. Second one was here. $61 fib, yeah. This one is 61 fib. By the way, price just breached 38.50 and right now looks like wanna breach 61 also. If 61 breach, then of course definitely 76 is the trade. 76 is here. It will be nice breaker test. And move will be $34 move. $34 move is a good one. Like that. Yeah, let's wait. Which answer? I don't remember your question. Hello, how's going? Good? It was your question? I come back in a minute, guys. Just a minute. Два, четыре, пять, шесть, три, семь, восемь, шесть. So let's try 43.51. Like that. Let's try 43.50. If breach is breach, why not? As long as I had already 3 winning trades today, so I can afford to myself to take one possible loss. It's okay. But no risk, no Tesla. My approach will be like that, 50 pips stop loss, and total TP is 150 pips, like that. Don't tell me that you're gonna be missed. Yeah, to sell. I'm gonna sell from 43.50. Well. Very good. CP1 will be 50 pips. 43.45. And push. Good morning, Ro. TP1. TP1. 1, 2. You took your stop loss, but why you didn't jump at 43.50 when I told you? You always, listen, you always must have backup trade because it's 5 minutes, you know. In 5 minutes, for example, if you see that price pushing hard, you see pushing hard, breaching 38, 15, 61 and breached 1, 2, 3 level, of course, you must have backup trade where you should go if 61, for example, fails. It was a joke. I don't want a Tesla. I want RAM 3X. Maybe you know that RAM 3X price is almost $350,000. But right now I want first I want to buy a house, then RAM 3X for myself. And TP1, please. At least TP1 is 5 minutes. But of course TP2 will be perfect. TP2, by the way, is 100 pips. Like that. And TP3 is here, but I will remove my TP3 because I need to run a size position. You want Tesla like a company, really? Not bad, brother. Why not? Who knows? Maybe someday. One day or day one, right? Push one more, a little bit. Right now, price running 40, 48, 48, 49. TP1, 500. Yep, TP1 hit. Perfect. I took partial, closed half of my position, and stop loss at the place. I'm not touching stop loss because in worst case scenario, if it push higher, total will be break even for me. You know, if I put my stop loss at break even right now, as usual, price can come back, took me out at break even, and then drop. That's why, to avoid situations like that, much better I take half at 1 hour and stop loss at the place. And right now it's risk-free position, absolutely, for me. So I don't care whatever happened right now. Of course, I want price drop more, at least TP2 and then TP3, and possible push lower, 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 but who knows? We are not the god, right? Right. So very good. Who those who took that trade, guys? Send me a screenshot, please, if you took that trade. But I don't know what you can do, brother. Late to take position. How? I move my stop loss at break even when price hit TP2. TP2 is 2R. Because I don't want to be taken out at break even and then miss train. This is system, you know, how you need to trade, how you need to choose the trades, and how to jump on trades. Of course, this trade 61 FIB was absolutely valid. It was absolutely valid trade. Why? Because 38 was breached, 50 was breached, and of course 61 is a must, especially when you have key level here. It was absolutely valid trade, but you must have backup trade. After 61, next trade is 76 with key level, with this area. You see, break retest and this key level. This is your backup trade. Because 61 failed, this trade is covering your potential loss. It works like that. Just now 41.20 you got buy from here. Yep. You can check my previous stream. It was today's London session. I wasn't like a video, but my chart was live, and I marked up this level like area of interest and this level like area of interest. This level was missed. This level was missed. Let me show you here, right? It was missed here. Missed and did 150 pips. Next one was 43.18. And 43.80 worked perfectly. And right now we are in short. Where? Here? It's already DTP1, bro. You're late little bit. Hey, where is my face? Let me just open like that. I put my pending just here on stream. TP1, TP2, TP3, it's always 1R, 2R, 3R. Right now it's a risk-free trade as long as we took TP1. I closed half of my position, and in the worst case, again, I will be at break even. By the way, we can remove this fib because price will look a little bit messy. Yes, I'm in short from 43.50. Yes, I'm in short. I don't know. You are on stream from the beginning. I put my pending here on screen without hiding price, without hiding anything. And you asking me am I in short or not? You're long on Nasdaq. If you want to jump, it's already late. My stop loss is usually 50 pips, but it's already late to jump. Look here. Entry was here. You see? Price did already TP1. I'm in risk-free position. Why I'm explaining like that? Because people will jump very late and then took stop loss and then blame me, you know? You long on Nasdaq. From where? I had just two trades. This buy, by the way, it was last week's stream, and this short from 4 hour. Let him jump in long position and put tip. Eliacht is why not? It's not your fault. Yeah, I know that's not my fault, but well, let's check what we have next. If we continue to push higher, we have this one. Possible 43.58 again, but I don't see anything here. Just trend line. I mean this one. Just trend line is not confluence for me, but do we have channel? By the way, look at this. Fake out again from triangle. You see? Like it was before. Why I mean fake out? Because you see this triangle, price breached, and I think everyone again thought that price will drop, but price That's why I don't trade pattern like that, because in August can be a lot of fake outs. Maybe New York session have some surprise for us. Yeah, why not? Let's see. I'm not gonna be surprised if price will grab liquidity again and then drop. Let's see. Let me just move it a little bit here and make it a little bit wider. Like that. How can I delete this area of interest? Because it's not area of interest anymore. Hey. Like that. So possible area is 43.62, but it's just possible area. But to be honest, I want pullback right now. Much more. If hit TP1 first, then pull back to entry zone again, it's possible to re-entry. I don't know, brother. I always take from first attempt. I don't have like confirmation. No, I don't use it. I always put limit pending, and I go for trade from first attempt always. And it's about 5-minute trading. On 1 hour or 4-hour trade, I don't touch my stop loss or TP. For me, on H1 or H4 is TP or stop loss. TP usually is 2R, is TP2. But in 5-minute trading, that's why I separate. For me, it's separate because there is a different approach, there is a different risk, there is a different stop loss and take profit. For example, on 5-minute is 50 pips stop loss fixed, always fixed 50 pips stop loss with a 1R, 2R, 3R TP. On H1 is 60 pips stop loss for me. Same with 1R, 2R, 3R. 4-hour can be 80 pips, can be 90 pips. Daily trade for me is without stop loss. I don't use stop loss when I trade daily plays. That's why there is always different type of trading. For example, on M5, my risk is 0.5%. On H1, H4 is 1%, 1.5%. On daily, as long as I'm trading without stop loss, it's 0.25 or 0.5, because I can get drawdown with like $50 or $100, so. It depends from the environment. For example, today I had already 4 trades. One short, just TP1. Second short, I sent in my free Telegram group. It's 400 pips. This buy, and now this one. Already 4. Sometimes I'm sure that Thursday on CPI, possible I will not get any trade. Much better, to be honest, I will go to rest, I will go to surfing, because I don't like trading on news. I like to trade just after the news. After the news, after almost at end of session, like that. Next short is sell 43.50, correct? You missed everything. You missed the train, brother, already. Guys, did anyone took 43.50 like me or not? If not, no worries. There is a lot of opportunity as long as it's 5 minutes. Possible break retest here. Let me check, it's 15 minutes. Yeah, possible break retest here. Possible break retest at my TP2, but I'm not gonna took that. Very good. Nice. TP1 is okay. Start from just TP1. Then when you see that the trade's making at least, and always journal how many pips your trade makes, okay? For example, if you get 10 trades journaling, and if you see that 9 of 10 trades bringing you TP2, in this case, you can extend your TP to 2R, to TP2. If you see that most of your trades bring just TP1, then of course stick to TP1. Because it's a little bit silly to take just TP1 when your journal telling you that all your trades or most of your trades gives minimum 2R. That's why I'm always telling you just you must journal everything, all your trades, every move, everything. You can't stop journaling, you know, when you already achieve something, but while you are not achieved anything, just journal it. Do you think that today's New York session could see the price adjust back to the 300 level? What you mean 300 level? You mean 4300? This one? By the way, it's my area of interest. 4300 is my area of interest. I don't know. I'm just prepared to all scenario. It's my strategy. I must be prepared to every scenario. So I don't care where price go up or down. I don't give a fuck about it, you know. Like it was in this trade or in this trade, in this trade. Before CPI in August, there is no reason to try to predict direction. I just need to know what I have to do if price go up and what I should do if price go down in this case. For example, if it go up, for example, let me show you. If we are here, right? If price go up, I know that this is level. If there's something, no, there is nothing, no fib. We have 61. 61 is valid? Yes, it's valid. Especially when 38 breached, 50 breached, yes, it's valid. That is absolutely trade with a key level. Next, what I should do if 61 fails? 76 fib with key level. My strategy works like that. That's why I use limit pendings and I'm not sitting all the day on the screen. Today not have new. Thank you, bro. What you mean new? How about your long on Nasdaq, by the way? And where your entry? I'm waiting TP2. Yes, but it can be pricing in. It can be pricing in before CPI. But more pricing will be tomorrow. Okay? But today is just continuation of Friday's momentum. Today we don't have any news. No, don't have catalyst. When you don't have any catalyst on Monday, it means that it's continuation of momentum from Friday, from Friday's catalyst. What we had Friday? Friday we had NVP. Today we got some little bit of profit taking, and New York session just continued push up. In the VIP with you is everyday trade. Yes, of course. It's every day. I'm trader. I'm trading every day, and I'm sending everything every day, guys. B, bro, I I told you that my stop loss at the place. I didn't touch stop loss. Why you put your stop loss at break even? And I explained that it's really possible that price can come back, took out at break even, and then push through again. It's typical. That's why much better to take partial at TP1 and keep stop loss there. Because if price breach, it breach. And you will be at break even in this case because you took partial here, and here is the second half of your position, right? That's why. But it can be simple liquidity sweep again and then push. It's for future for you. I can't tell you what it's EMA, brother. Sorry. Only in VIP. In VIP, you can ask me everything, and I can give you every secret from my trading strategy. And also, this one was free for you. Lost before. How to join your VIP, brother? You need just trade with my broker. This is a requirement. Have you taken a loss before even going risk-free today? No. I went risk-free when price hit TP1. I closed half of my position and not moving my stop loss. This is my approach. Message me in Telegram, bro. I will guide you. But you bet with the Nasdaq. To be honest, I don't see anything on Nasdaq right now. How you went long? Is it was just breakout or not? You was expecting breakout or what? Yes, of course. I work with my referral link. That's why it's free. That's why it's free, because broker pays me, not customer, not members. If you want to pay me, you can pay me. There is a two option. Message in. Just let me. I'll send my link to my free Telegram. Just message me there, guys. What the difference if you are not trading on IC markets or Black Bull? There is no reason what spread, because other all brokers has big spreads. Not so big, but I can tell you that prop companies has much bigger spreads. Of course, we are not on IC markets or Black Bull because it's one of the best brokers in the world with a 0-2 spread, right? But for me, like for trader, like for influencer, they're not paying much, so it's not interesting for me to work with them. They're interesting for me just to trade with them on my personal accounts. but to work with them and promote there is not in my interest, you know. So I'm making good money, brother, because it's 9 years of experience. I was in the last 3 years. First 3 years, I was in a big debt. I had a big loss. I lost a lot of money. That's why right now I can afford to myself to be like that. Why not? I can show you my first stories ever in Instagram, and it was with the chat. It was 9 years ago. Just a second. I'm not here for charity. Just think about it. Thank you, bro. Yeah, look. I hope how to show you. You see the stories with charts? It was December 8th, 2017. December 8th, 2017. It's my first stories from archive. Next stories with what was 2 Geländewagen. It was my dream. G-Wagon, G-Wagon, you know that, right? February 17, also my breakfast with charts on MetaTrader. You see, it's my ex-girlfriend. Yeah, by the way, it was interesting time. My Instagram account is personal. On personal Instagram account, I have just 150 followers. On my work Instagram account, 23,000. 23? Yeah, 23,000. Price did just 70 pips. Failed to do TP2, by the way. Let's see. Yes, of course. Everything. If I don't give a signal, it's mean that it in my video breakdown. Because first of all, before sending any signals, I'm making market breakdown, you know, because I can't be on the screen all the time. I can't be on the screen on London session and New York session until the end. But on video breakdown, there is everything. And video breakdown, I send video breakdown, then signals after that. Because some guys learning from my strategy from educational channel, and they trade themselves already. Already one guy taking trades from 61 fib like that, you know, because he know that 61 fib with key level works perfect, and he trade himself already. So my goal is not just to give signals, it's just to build something bigger with and teach people how to do that. By the way, this breakthrough test for me already missed and very weak. Why? Because we had this pullback already. This level not interested. But of course, EMA can help, but it can be just limited pullback. Just small limited pullback, and I'm much better. I'll stay in my short position. It's more safe. Let's see. Because it's 38, and I could take it if price go push through, then pull back. But with this kind of pullback right now, this one can be breached easily. And as you can see, here is nothing absolutely in this area. No level, no level, no, even no breakthrough test level. So it can be free fall. It can be free fall if it's not breached right now higher. Of course, much better if we take at least TP2, but BE also okay. as long as it's risk-free trade. 43.50, yeah. 42.89. TP1 42.89. You want to take this kind of short? Like that? If yes, you're amazing, bro. But why not? Try. I think some use your exact video to do an AI person to copy the video. Yeah, it's possible, but I can't do anything with that. To be honest, I can't do anything with that and with scammers. Because a lot of guys, you know, making live stream and like that. I can restrict to copy my videos on YouTube, but what the problem just to record my video, you know? If somebody wants to take my video, he will take my video. So I have official links. I have a official page on Instagram, on YouTube. So who knows? They will follow me on my official pages. Well, how do you know on which price leg you have to place the fib levels and considering the time frame also? I have lesson about fib in my VIP. Let me show you again. Let me show you. It's my educational channel, and in pinned message here, you see? It's lesson about Fibonacci. Like that. Yep, you see, as I said, it was simple liquidity grab, and now price can just push through. If we close like that, it will be perfect. And by the way, it's making stronger my current position. Very good. Classic line is broken if you draw it from touch spots 40, 66, 42, 30, 43, 14. I think it's your strategy, brother, and unfortunately I don't understand what you mean. I'm waiting TikTok account right now. From on TikTok, I can go live with somebody with you. Right now, I'm waiting more drop. And I'm sure that we will get TP2. If anyone in position, congratulations. Congratulations. What's your TP2? TP2 is 2R 4340. 4340 is 100 pips. And my stop loss is 50 pips. By the way, I'm still not moving my stop loss at break even. I will move my stop loss at break even when price hits TP2. And TP3 is a 3R 4335, of course. Like right now, it looks more bearish for sure. Oh, хули нет, когда доеда, блядь, да? Anyone still in short? I just need to make a video. By the way, if you're asking anyone how, if you ask me how I make my video reels, like that, right now it's recording everything. It's recording right now, this trade, and after that I will just edit and upload. TP3? First we need to get TP2. You're already waiting TP3. Why not, right? Why not? But it's some accumulation right now, and looks like really we can get some reversal. By the way, if you check previous, I can say you that everything is already on the charts. Every question about the market already in the charts, because market, sorry, just repeated itself. Who knows? Just accumulating. Look at this. Look at this situation. It was the same. First attempt, second attempt, then liquidity grab again, and then push. Price can't just go down without liquidity. I mean, before TP3, I'm not taking my profits. Ah, good. Why not? But I hope you are risk-free already, right? I hope. Because who knows what we can expect from New York session. I think I need to extend again, like that. I need to set music, just a second. Yeah, still struggling, still struggling. Beautiful retest on S&P. No, it's not. It's not retest. Ah, if you call it retest, yeah, beautiful. I didn't just now. If going back to Kaikene. It's already at 43.50. It's absolutely no reason to jump again. As long as we had already TP1 and I'm right now in risk-free trade, in risk-free position. So if breach, I'm totally will be at break even. But we had liquidity sweep 1, liquidity sweep 2, possible liquidity sweep 3. It's August, so everything can be. ORB order block. I don't know. There is FG zone 2. No, guys, my strategy is not about order block or ICT. I'm trading only pullbacks. It's giving me more freedom. At my beginning, of course, I was learning a lot of strategies, but I stopped at pullback strategy. As long as my goal in trading was freedom. Less more, work less, and earn more. Like that. So pullback strategy gives me that. So let's check what we can do if price push higher. If price push higher, 43.81 or 4400. 4400, to be honest, will be beautiful. Yes, 4400 will be beautiful. If we get pullback from 72, 75 area, of course, then 82 will be missed and have to be, сука, иди нахуй, and have to be skipped. As long as it's a big liquidity area also. Look at this level. I mean this level 82, and here is a lot of liquidity until 4400. And if 4400 breach, then of course backup is 44, 23, 25 zone. This is a plan. This is a plan, and we gonna stick to the plan. From 5 minute, if price go higher, I switch to H1. There is nothing on M5 at the left side, you see, so it's not M5 trading anymore, it will be H1 trading. If we go lower, then of course it's still 5 minute, because your chart must be like that. If you're making zoom out, for example, like that, it's already 1 hour or 4 hour. If like that, it's of course more. For example, if you're trading H1, your H1 chart should be like that. If you zoom out, it's already 4 hour. If you zoom in, for example, like that, if you zoom in, it's already 15 minute or 5 minute. I don't like that. You're not looking for US oil. Pop. Hey, where is my... Just a second, I'll show you. So US oil. Let me check quickly again. 5 minutes. I still have pending at 98.8, and we have couple. For me, next zone is this one, 61 with gap fill. Of course, I will go from gap fill is 88. By the way, let me set pending. 88. 89. Do we have anything else? I need EMA. Give me EMA. No, we don't have any EMA. Switch back. Stop loss is around 100 pips. TP 200 pips. And of course, this level also 38. It's daily time frame. City. That's so. And one pending here. Ten lots is just $1,000 risk. It's not too much. So okay, let's see. 5 minutes. Yeah, you see 1, 2, 3 times liquidity swept. Are we ready to drop or not? I don't sell right now. I just set pending for short from 82.5 and 88. Come back to 5 minute gold. Так, блядь. You know, this trade was similar trade here. If you remember when where I took all this move, you see price struggling also, some accumulation and then drop. And drop happened at 12 by my time, 12:15. It's around 5 p.m. London time. It looks similar right now, to be honest. And let's see. Do you only trade with your own capital, not using? No, of course, only my own capital. Live on my broker right now is 50K. I don't like the rules of prop firms. Drawdown rules, daily limit rules. Much better to, you can use prop firm, you know, to build your capital, to build your own balance, but not more. What is it? One more liquidity sweep? By the way, where's silver? Silver also under the level. Silver under the level and DXE. DXE not moving. By the way, DXE showing some kind of flag on H1, I mean, some kind of flag for bearish continuation. Bearish continuation is bullish for gold. Maybe it's pricing in for CPI, you know? Maybe it's a signal for CPI to go long, to try to find some nice buy level on gold to jump and to be priced in also on CPI. Of course, best scenario could be get some kind of correction before CPI. It's 5 minutes. It's impossible to predict something on 5 minutes. Possible some liquidity grab and push up on CPI, it will be perfect. Right now, possible next level is 43.58 again from third touch of trend line. But there is nothing from fib level and nothing from key level, because this key level was used already. This level was used here. So this one is not fresh. I'm not interested in not fresh levels. This level is fresh. But we didn't breach this low, that's why I'm not interested in this one. Like that. But breaching both levels up, making 43.82 stronger. Like that. Let's wait. It's free. Double the lot? Nope, I decrease my lot for 5 minutes. For H1 or H5, I told already for 5 minutes I use only 0.25 or 0.5% for any trade, for every trade. H1 or H4 is 1%. And come on, Gold, I want to go surf. I want to go surf today. That's why please drop faster and I will go surf. 4 trades in a day is enough, right? This is a simple liquidity sweep. It's increasing my BS for drop. Look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweep is when price go higher than previous high. Here we had, you see, we had maybe possible we can go higher, sweep here, and then drop. Giveaway, all accounts already was given. You was from restricted country. In this case, brother, I can't do anything. I'm still waiting answer from another prop. As long as I'm not working with props, it's a little bit hard for me to communicate with them, you know. If you was trading with my broker, I could give you I could double your deposit. For example, bonus like that. Even right now, you can go with my broker and I will just double your deposit. For example, if you deposit 300 or 500, it will be 1,000. If your total deposit will be 1,000. It's maximum double deposit until $2,000. Yeah, bro, you can, but be sure that you are in risk-free trade. Why I'm so calm right now? Because I took TP1, closed half, and whatever happened right now, I don't care. Of course, much better if it drops, but if it go up, it will be break even for me in total. I doesn't care about higher entry. I mean this trade. I'm still in with runner size position. Runner size position is 10% of initial lot size. Price squeezing. Look at this. Just wait a little bit, brother. I will come back to you when I get response from the prop. I don't forget about you. No worries. What is it? I don't have any area of interest right now. For buy, nothing. For short, also nothing. From 5 minutes. From H1, of course, it's this level. I want this level with breaching this and this to go with this. This will be good. From M5, nothing. I think to trade M5, we will come back tomorrow because we need some more price action. In this price action, there is nothing to trade. Just keep running short. Well, let me play one game on chess. Congratulations, guys. We got 8 liquidity sweeps. One more, and you will get tens for free. Yes. It's simple. August price action, brother. Usually you will get 2 liquidity sweep, then main move. But in August, you will get 4, 5, 10 liquidity sweep um, before the main move. But I can say that when price making a lot of liquidity sweeps like that and accumulating, it's if it drops, it will drop hard. You know, if you get quick pullback, for example, if you get boom pullback, in this case, price more chance to continue the move. But in case like that, it means that you can get bigger pullback. Simple example, today's morning trade, one. Previous trade, where is previous trade? Ah, this one. You see? Accumulation, then drop. So right now it's good that price accumulating. How long it took? It took 1.5 hours, almost 2 hours before breaching this level to more drop. This was almost 2 hours. You know, so it's not bad. So need to be just patient, guys. Patience is the key to success. Maybe yes, brother, but you can take it on your own risk. Okay? Because I'm risk-free already. You can take just for your own risk and don't blame me if it fails. Okay? Because if it fails, in my case, it will be break even. In your case, it will be loss. This is the difference. You can go with very low risk right now. You can go with very low risk and just journal what happened next. Was it worth to go or not? На нахуй. Time is over. We have a little trend line here. Looks like for our. Yes, you're right. Not for our. I can see more each one. Triangle like that. Triangle with fake out. As long as triangle always is continuation of previous momentum, right? We had bullish momentum, triangle, fake out. Then of course momentum is possible, will push higher. It was just simple liquidity grab before this move. Too boring. I think it should be extended. So what is right now? Liquidity sweep again or what? Move. $35 move. Yeah, even this one was $35 move and price failed to do TP2. just TP1. But let's wait. Let me check 15 minutes. Yeah, seems that we took just TP1 and remaining will be closed totally at break even. Unfortunately. Ouch. What's your stop loss? My stop loss is 43.55. Wow. Break even. This one also break even. Just TP1. And totally break even, unfortunately. Trade was like that. Price failed to do TP2 also. Next level, 43.56 can work. Why not? How is stop loss if it's break even? I told 5 times that I'm in risk-free trade, and I took partial and I took half as TP1. Guys telling me that it's stop loss. So what's next? Okay, I can't do anything with that. Sorry. If you're not listening me, so where is my fault? There is no my fault, right? So H1. I'm just gonna set pending here. I'm not in. Good job, because I told you that that I'm in risk-free trade. That's why I was ready to any case scenario. By the way, look at this third touch. Third touch of trend line. Possible. As long as we are in triangle. If it breach higher, then of course break retest. Boom, boom, boom. So for me today total is here is B, here is 3R, Here is 3R. This one break even also. Total for me is 6R today. From 5 minutes. Not bad. Can we get something from here or not? By the way, silver breaching higher also. I mean breaching level higher. Simple third touch. Simple third touch with this one. Nothing more. And silver breached higher. So total move without pullback can be 40, 55, and here it will be $65 move. Like that. Let's see further. Very good. If you're out at break even. Because if you check my this stream again, I dropped order here, limit pending. And I told that I'm closing half at TP1, and in worst case scenario, it will be break even. Break even happened. It's just simple risk management, guys. It's just risk management and position management. It is not, this is 5-minute trading. It's not about just set pending and forget about it. It's just H1 or H4. You can set pending and forget about it and just watch how it works. TP or stop loss. On 5-minute, if you're not able to monitor and manage your position, then it's not for you. Clean trade was here without any break even or something else. Straight TP3. I meant it hit the stop loss, but the total was break even. Yeah, it's good, very good. That's why you see I'm good. Okay, I thought you took stop loss and not fixed anything. By the way, this level can be valid with a silver alignment. Where is silver? By the way, silver at level right now. Let's try one thing. 43.61, and we know that this is a big liquidity zone, right? This is a liquidity zone. Let's try to go at the place where our stop loss could be. For example, if we go from here, stop loss 50 pips, and our entry must be at 43.67. Like that. Put your entry at where would you put your stop loss in liquidity area. I'm just gonna mark it like that. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Red line indicator is EMA. Why I'm not going to this level? First of all, because we had pullback here, almost 100 pips. You see, total pullback was 90 pips. And move from here to here is just 180 pips. To take any attempt for pullback, I want $20 plus move. Much better is $25 move. Here is $23 move. Yeah, this area, this interesting area, but as I said, it's a liquidity area. When you have liquidity area, just best entry at the place where would you put your stop loss. Stop loss from this short could be here. I will go with a very, very low risk. Very, very low risk. How much? Not 3, it's, let's try 0.5. 0.5 just for attempt. This is how I trade liquidity areas sometimes. But I'm not gonna risk much. Why? Because silver right now pushing higher. Silver pushing higher and possible just smash through. Next level for silver is 67, 67.5 or 68, 68 much better, of course. But 67 is yeah, price and liquidity zone, you see. Let's see what happens next. Grab liquidity. Will it go with us or it will go without us? Silver breaching level, DXY also pushing lower. That's why, of course, best way was to jump in buy. Ouch. It's just 15 pips. Yeah, you see, it's liquidity area, grab liquidity and pushing. Yeah, 50 pips from here already. This one not valid anymore for me. From 62, it did just 40 pips. By the way, right now we can get some, if we get retracement right now. Well, by the way, we're not interested in this level anymore. And 50 feet with key level breaker test is a nice area of interest for now. By the way, this one is also small fib, 50 fib here, but move is too small to go. To be honest, I was afraid of liquidity sweep from here. It was possible to go, but it was risky because of liquidity sweep. Why liquidity sweep? Because look at this, is just a long level, and next level is around 60 pips. You see? So all this level is a lot of liquidity area. And you have level here, level here, level here. So price can simple push up, grab all liquidity, then drop. That's why it was risky. M5 risky at all, but it could be much risky. $43.70, no, there is nothing. Trade long and short after candle close. Possible one more risky trade, guys. Very, very risky trade is go again right now from here after liquidity sweep. Interesting situation for me right now. Very, very interesting situation. From here, I'm long and shorting from here. Price stuck. You see, you must adapt for any move. This buy for me is in profit, and this short, let me show you. It looks like that. Why I went long? I went long after this closed trendline breaker test to further push. And as long as I have running position in profit, I jumped here again after liquidity sweep. So in worst case, if price go higher, I covered with this position. It's just 5-minute quick trading. My first, by the way, my long position in at break even already. If this position close in loss, I will close also this position and I will earn a little bit. Total position was like that. Right now it's break even. 5 minutes. And second position is like that right now. It's everything about my strategy, guys. Just ping pong, you know? You can just play ping pong, up, down, up, down, up, down, and make money like that. Or I can close both positions here. It will be 20 pips almost for short and 20 pips for buy, totally 40 pips. Nice. Now we need to see which one will work. Let me see the silver glove. I start to forget English. Just a second. I need to drink water a little bit. Opa. This is high risk trading, guys. This one buy in profit also and short also in profit. Why? 50 pips as usual. For short, 50 pips. You can check my story, or not story, one reels on Instagram where I explained liquidity sweep lesson. That best entry is, of course, you got liquidity sweep, and when price come back, you can jump from the liquidity spot price again. But it's high risk. It was high risk. Why? Because if you check H1, it's 50 feet. If you check H1, we've reached this triangle. Reaching triangle means that with more chance price will come back, retest, and push higher. This is the reason of my buy. Price pushed higher. It's mean that I'm in profit and I can afford to myself to try short again. That's why this one is risk-free, this one is risk-free. So now I just need to wait which one is works. As long as Let me explain you more. Stop loss of this trade is 50 pips, right? And for this trade, it will be 80 pips. If price push higher, I'm closing half of my position of this one, a little bit more than half, around 70%, and it will cover loss from this position. And I still have 30 position from this buy, pushing higher. And this buy is already at break even, so it's just risk management and position management. Yep, I'm in long and I'm in short. If you are not in long, you can go in short right now, because I don't know, to be honest, what can happen here, because price under the trend line and above the trend line and under the liquidity area. Price just stuck here. If it drops, it will close my buy position and I'm at break even already. By the way, I shared in my VIP also these two buys from the agent session. This buy and this buy also. Why this buy? Because again, almost similar situation. Trend line breached, retest, push. Simple. Just let me manage my TP. Like that. I'm glad that I'm in a long position, to be honest. This one will be closed Yes, it's right. 2K and 2K. Yeah, this short is in risk free also. Like that. Что-то мы раньше об этом не подумали. Do I have a pending on H1? Yes. Here is pending set, and of course, definitely pending here. Not 10. Why 10? 3 lots. 3 lots for short. 3. Wow, this one also 10. I think it's from oil. Done. What is this price? 43.99. Yep, good. And stop loss in this case must be 150 pips. 150 pips stop loss, and TP is 75, area is 25 pips, like that. I'm just gonna finish stream soon, and I'm just preparing my trades. It's like that. And 5 minutes, is it still there or not? $50 fib, a little bit higher. It means that I need to move a little bit my pending, like that. Done. So guys, what you think? Which one will work, buy or sell? $43.70. I'll go to short from 43.75. I'll try. As long as I will have a buy position, right? And this 43.75 will be a risk-free trade. Like that. Me, I'm in short and in buy. I'm buy from here and in short from here. So in any case, again, I will be in profit in any case. For example, I explained already, bro, what type of trading you do, scalping or intraday or swing. 5 minute is intraday, of course. Sometimes no, it's not scalp. Scalp is for me. Scalping is 1 minute. 1 minute is a scalping, yeah. And scalping when you're taking just maximum 10 pips and your trade must be maximum 1 minute. For me, this is scalping. This one is day trading, intraday trading, intraday trading, like that. What I was talking about? I was talking about that. Here is stop loss, 50 pips, right? But it will be profit 85 pips. So if it hits my stop loss, I'm closing 70% of this buy, and this trade will be risk free. Further 30% afford me to go short for 43.75. Why 43.75? Because it's again liquidity zone, and I will go from last confluence is psychological level. Simple. Like that. What time right now? Because I just want to go surfing and I'm watching my time, that's why. Let me just send signal in my VIP. No, not like that. 43.75. Next buy zone. Yes. Who told me that it will be long? It's gonna drop. Can't do hedging on prop firm. Yeah, that's why I don't like prop firms, you know? Because of the fucking rules. My risk reward 1R, 2R, 3R on 5 minutes. You keep fixed risk reward on market condition. For H1, H4 is fixed risk reward is 2. On H1, H4, I don't touch my trade. It's stop loss or take profit for me. On 5 minutes, I'm taking partial at 1R is TP1. And in worst case scenario, like it was here, you see, price did just 50 pips here and then breached. I took half of my position at 1R and not moved my stop loss. So in this case, I'm in break even. Same in this situation. You see, it's not H1. In H1, yes, stop loss or TP. Wow, wow, wow. What the f... Opa! Wow. Wait. Ah, it's already took partial. Very good. 43.52. What happened? I'm waiting some news right now. What happened? That's why buy was break even. This one taken, partial taken. Trump, Iran are asking for compensation for damage done to them during last 5 months military conflict. Thanks. This is my, you see, Trump. Thanks, Trump, again. What a banger trade. Instant TP2, 100 pips. This one? Yes. I didn't set pending, to be honest, but I sent that in my VIP, this area. And right now, entry point was 43.52.5. Right now, price approaching TP1 already from this buy. I didn't expect it, Trump. That's why I didn't send pending. What the f... Let me show you. God bless, I didn't finish stream. Do you see that? Oh no. Here. I sent it here. Partial taken, stop loss at the place. I'm not touching my stop loss. TP2 done, and I'm just gonna move under the high. Financial juice. TP1 hit from this buy. 43.52.5. TP1. Ouch. TP1 hit. Perfect. Perfect. Where did you get the news? Financial juice, bro. Financial juice. It's I have a paid version. I think for 1 year it's $1,000. It's you get instant notification from for everything. Just let me switch music. TP1 hit. If you are in buy from this level, TP1 hit for you guys. Unfortunately, I forgot to put. Yeah, it's on 4 factory too, but it can be with a little bit delay, and you don't have application on your phone which will give you notifications like that. I get instant notification, and to be honest, it's worth. Look at this exact reaction from trend line again. Zero. I can understand what's happened with stream. Well, guys, now I'm gonna wait TP3, and I need to go to surfing already. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, 5 perfect trades, and I'm tired and I'm done for the day. So see you tomorrow again, okay? And I'll continue to trade in my VIP channel. Okay, let's wait with you. Let's wait with you, TP3. And did I set pending on my area of interest? Yes. Nice. Thanks, Trump, again. Thanks, Trump. Push, push, push. And anyone shorting from Trump or not? By the way, I move my stop loss at break even. TP2 hit, now waiting TP3. Go, go. I'm gonna take another partial at TP3. No, no. No, no. And leave a runner size position like that. No, no. Just remember, everything happens, nothing happens from the empty. For example, Trump can say something when he wanna do that. Here, price was struggling at nice level. It's a good time to take some profit, right? Especially after such big move. Don't remember, we are living in 21st century with the Trump, when insider trading is okay in this world, And just imagine how many friends of Trump just earned $1 billion on this short. On this short, or maybe NASDAQ. Where is NASDAQ? Not so big short. Oil coming to price of interest. S&P dropping, gold dropping. I'm out of the short. Things are gonna get slow after London Essential close. You sure? Orange man, give some. Yeah, well, guys, I think it's finished. It's become too slow right now. I'm waiting TP3 here. And this buy hit TP1 already. But unfortunately without me, because I was not expecting such sharp from Trump's speech. I wasn't expecting Trump's speech. Right? So, see you tomorrow. And I'm done for today. Tomorrow again, same time, same place. See you.